He was a simple farmer. His fields lay empty. Seeds waited silently. He dreamed of fields overflowing with golden grain, of a harvest so rich it would feed his family for years. He saw the bounty clearly in his mind's eye, a vibrant picture of success. But when the sun rose, casting a golden light upon the waiting earth, he would simply sigh. "I'll plant tomorrow," he said. "Tomorrow, when the wind is gentler. Tomorrow, when the clouds promise rain. Tomorrow, when I feel stronger." His tools gathered dust in the corner of the barn. The rich soil, once ready and willing, began to harden under the relentless sun. Days melted into weeks, and weeks bled into a month. He watched from his porch as his neighbors toiled. He heard their songs as they worked, their laughter echoing across the valley. He saw their fields turn from brown to a hopeful green, a testament to their daily efforts. Meanwhile, his own land became a tapestry of neglect. Tough, stubborn weeds choked the life from the soil. The promise of a bountiful harvest became a distant, fading dream. His procrastination bore its own bitter fruit, fields of regret and seasons of missed chances. The time for planting passed. The rains came and went, nourishing only the weeds on his land. His neighbors gathered their harvest, their granaries full, their faces content. His own remained empty, a hollow echo of the dreams he held so dear. One evening, as twilight painted the sky in shades of purple and orange, he walked through his barren fields. He ran the dry, cracked soil through his fingers. He saw the ghosts of the crops that could have been, the harvest that never was. And something inside him broke. He realized the dream of the harvest is not the harvest itself. The work he delayed was the future he denied. So he picked up his forgotten tools. He fought back against the weeds, his hands raw and his back aching. He tilled the hardened soil, breathing life back into the neglected earth. Step by step, furrow by furrow, he reclaimed his land. It was too late for that season's harvest, but it was not too late to begin again. He prepared the ground for the next planting, his actions a silent promise to himself. Slowly, order returned to his fields. The soil grew soft and fertile, ready for the seeds of a new beginning. He learned the truth. Success belongs to those who act today, not those who dream of tomorrow. Moral: plant your seeds today. Tomorrow may be too late.